Focus and get you another round of breaking update that is now coming in with the Bareilly MP MLA court that has now issued a notice regarding a statement given by Rahul Gandhi during the Lok Sabha elections. Now, by issuing a notice to Rahul Gandhi, the court has now ordered him to appear in court on the 7th of January. And this comes after the divisional president of the Hindu Mahasabha has filed a case in Bareilly MP MLA court, the court which has taken cognizance of the matter and has ordered Rahul Gandhi to appear in court next year. The court date that has now been set for his appearance is on the 7th of January. Now, accordingly, what is being said that Rahul Gandhi had given a statement during the Lok Sabha elections where he said that when our government comes, we will conduct an economic survey, due to which we are told as far as this matter that is now being taken up in the MP MLA court, and exactly when it comes to on the basis of population who has more property will be taken from the one with less property and will be given to the other who doesn't have. However, it seems that this statement that has now been raised by the Hindu Mahasabha leader by the name of Pankaj Pathak, who has filed this case in Bareilly MP MLA court, and the court which has now taken cognizance of the matter, what is being said on a part of a statement that was made by the Congress MP Rahul Gandhi during the Lok Sabha elections, and the court that has now ordered Rahul Gandhi to make an appearance in court, and the next court date that has now been set is on the 7th of January this year. So what is now being said, Manish हमारे साथ दोबारा कनेक्ट हो गए हैं. मनीष, अगर आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है तो बताइए कि आखिरकार केस क्या है, क्या कहा गया था राहुल गांधी की तरफ से जो कोर्ट ने आप उन्हें बुलाया है अपीयरेंस के लिए 7 जनवरी को अगले साल.
देखिए, राहुल गांधी जब लोकसभा चुनाव के प्रचार में जुटे हुए थे तो उन्होंने एक वायदा किया था कि सरकार जब बनेगी कांग्रेस की, इंडिया गठबंधन की, इंडिया अलायंस की, तब वो एक आर्थिक सर्वेक्षण कराएंगे, इकोनॉमिक सर्वे कराएंगे. उसमें ये जांचेंगे कि किसके पास कितनी संपत्ति है. अगर कम आबादी वाले लोग जिनकी संपत्ति ज्यादा है तो उससे संपत्ति लेकर कम संपत्ति वाले लोग जिनकी आबादी ज्यादा है उनमें बांटी जाएगी, उनको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट की जाएगी. हालांकि इंडिया अलायंस की सरकार नहीं बनी, बीजेपी की सरकार है, लेकिन इस मामले में समाज को बांटने के लिए, एक खास तबके में भय का माहौल पैदा करने के लिए जो राहुल गांधी का बयान था उसको लेकर पंकज पाठक हैं हिंदू महासभा के अध्यक्ष, उन्होंने बरेली कोर्ट में एक वाद दायर किया था. एमपी एमएलए कोर्ट में उसकी सुनवाई चल रही थी. अब कोर्ट ने संज्ञान लिया है और 7 जनवरी को राहुल गांधी को हाजिर होने का इस मामले में आदेश दिया है. 7 जनवरी को उनको पेश होना है. सम्मन वकील के माध्यम से उन्हें मुहैया करा दिया जाएगा, पुलिस के माध्यम से उन्हें मुहैया करा दिया जाएगा. और 7 जनवरी को राहुल गांधी को एमपी एमएलए कोर्ट में पेश होना पड़ेगा.
तो आर्थिक सर्वेक्षण को लेकर जो उन्होंने कहा था जब लोकसभा इलेक्शंस की तरफ वो बयान दे रहे थे, उससे पहले उसको लेकर उसके मद्देनजर कोर्ट ने ये नोटिस जारी किया है और बताया जा रहा है कि 7 जनवरी की जो तारीख है उसे तय कर दिया गया है जब राहुल गांधी को बोला गया है कि कोर्ट आने में और वहां पर पेश होने के लिए. धन्यवाद आपका मनीष हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. लेट्स इन द मीन टाइम शिफ्ट फोकस टू अनदर राउंड of breaking update that is now coming in. This is with regards to Assam's all right. In the meantime, as we continue to stay a little bit on more focus on what Rahul Gandhi had apparently said during which that the court has now summoned him on the 7th of January next year. This is with regards to a statement that he made during the Lok Sabha election campaign that was made by the Congress leader, and the Bareilly MP MLA court which has now issued a notice regarding a statement given by Rahul Gandhi during the elections of the Lok Sabha. And by issuing a notice to Rahul Gandhi, the court has ordered him to appear in court on the 7th of January. And this comes after the divisional president of the Hindu Mahasabha had filed a case in Bareilly MP MLA court. The leader from the Congress has now been asked to appear before the court on the 7th of January next year. Let's